One of China's most high-profile billionaire bankers, Bao Fan, has reportedly gone missing. According to reports, his company China Renaissance Holdings said that the CEO had not been able to be reached in recent days. Bao is a leading deal broker in China whose clients include top tech companies Didi and Meituan. His firm's announcement has caused new concerns of a potential Beijing crackdown on finance and tech figures. On Friday, shares in the investment firm plunged after it told shareholders that it had been unable to contact Bao Fan. The board added that it was not aware of any information that indicates that Bao's unavailability is or might be related to the business or operations of the group. When asked for further comment, China Renaissance referred to the BBC to its notice to the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. The company did not specify how long Bao had been missing. Chinese business newswire Caixin cited sources saying that staff had not been able to contact him for 2 days. The Business Wire also reported that the firm's president Kong Lin had been taken by authorities last September over his previous work at the state-owned ICBC Bank. China Renaissance appears to not have commented on Kong's situation. As per reports, he is no longer listed as an executive on the company's site or in its most recent interim report. The disappearance of Bao, who is one of China's leading tech investors, has again evoked a history of Chinese executives suddenly vanishing for periods of time with no explanation. According to Forbes magazine, at least half a dozen billionaires in the past few years have disappeared for periods after reported run-ins with the Communist Party. In several cases, they were suspected to have been involved in corruption, tax or other misconduct investigations. Notable absences include that of Fosun Group founder Guo Guangchang, who has been called the Warren Buffett of China, who vanished for several days in 2015. Chinese-Canadian businessman Xiao Jianhua was also taken in 2017. He had been one of China's richest people and last year was jailed for corruption. In late 2020, Alibaba founder Jack Ma also disappeared from public view for 3 months after making comments critical of market regulators. He had been due to publicly list his digital payments firm Ant Financial, which would have most likely made him the richest man in China. Bao Fan is reportedly considered a titan in China's tech industry, having executed many of the trades that have shaped its online consumer economy. He founded China Renaissance in 2005 after a banking career at Morgan Stanley and Credit Suisse.